There's a good bite. It's a nice trevally. Yes, very nice trevally. There we go. 32 centimeters. And I think I'm actually going to keep him today, especially if I can get another one. So, got a live well down here, keep him in that for a bit, and see what happens. But, might be dinner. Now, into another. Second one. We can get him up. Oh, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Oh. Not as big as the last one. And it's not. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Look at you guys coming over here. Oh, I hope it's not one of these dumb birds. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, I thought it might be one of those birds coming down here. There we go. Woohoo! Ah, nice salmon. Yes. There we go. Very nice. Just got up under that wharf a bit, and I thought one of those birds grabbed my bait, but that's better than that. Very cool. So we just had a measurement on him, and he is 42 centimeters. So not bad at all. Oh, there's a good hit on the big rod. Oh yeah. Oh man. There we go. Oh, look at that. Dude, get away, get away, get away, get away. Ooh, yes. And good thing, because he came off as soon as I got him up here. There we go. Solid 53 centimeters. Good fish, good fight. And yeah, I think we're going to keep him as well. I'll have a little bit of a feed and some bait. So that'll be good. Nice catch though. Oh, I think we got something. Oh, it's another trevally. Little guy. That's feisty. Oh, we're gonna get over here again without those birds. There we go. Just a little guy. That's 5 total. Not too bad. There we go. Another one on the big rod. Feels like another decent fish too. Oh, another nice trevally. There we go. Yes. There we go. Just a little bigger than the other one that we caught, the bigger one. He's 32.5 centimeters. So, sorry dude, you're coming home for dinner. So I think me and Lee are going to have some fish tonight. He's barely doing anything on this. Nope. Just another little one. Oh, the big fish seem to have moved on. Just little bites now. There we go. Swim fast, dude. Swim fast. Get this back down there. Much better day than I anticipated. But it's just the little guys biting now. Just getting little hits left and right. Well, that's my time. 2 nice salmon, 2 nice trevally, and a few little dinky ones, but overall much better than I thought it would be. Might sound like a broken record by now, but I didn't think the fishing was going to be all that great with the way the weather was today. But hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, as always, keep fishing.